Hey David, this is Brandon. Talked to Steve, and he said that you would be the one viewing this video. So this is just a free couple-minute video showing you some tips and tricks how to, make your online presence more felt and hopefully drive more business your way. I'm going to show you three things in here. Um, Hopefully, if you can use them, that'd be great. If you can't use them, because you don't know how, you don't want to. I understand you business owners are busy. That's kind of why I do these things for free. So hopefully at the end of this, you can see I know what I'm talking about. If you want to reach out, great. But that's why I do them. The three things I talk about are, content on the website, the keywords that are in that content. Second thing is going to be citations, and then lastly is backlinks and referring domains. So I got your website up here, and Google has a lot of algorithms and things that they use to rank websites and put people in certain places. But the biggest one is content on your homepage, and what they're looking for is about 1,500 uh, content words on here. So you can see a quick thing you can do is just add more content to your homepage here. That's certainly going to help you out here. And then the biggest thing inside that content is you're going to want keywords pointing people to what your business is and what it is you exactly do. So whether that's going to be Madison, auto repair Madison, or auto repair Wanakee, and Wanakee auto repair, or a certain niche that you want to work on that you know is a high ticket item and is going to bring you more revenue, hybrid repair, things like that. So we want to make sure that keywords are inside that at least 1,500 words of content. So that's the big thing. Second thing I talk about is citations. Citations are when I type in like auto repair Madison, the top three people that pop up here are in this map pack. And the map pack is obviously where you want to be, top three up here. And citations are going to drive that. Now, everything I'm going to talk about kind of snowballs and interlinks together, but citations are going to help you get there. And all a citation is pretty much you shouting from the rooftops and getting your business out there, the business name, email, phone number, business address out there on as many platforms as possible, whether it be social media, other websites, Yelps, Yellow Pages, things like that. So get more of that out there, get more citations, and that's going to bring you up to the top of the list that much faster. Hope that makes sense. And then last thing I talk about uh, is backlinks and referring domains. So if you look at this, I use a tool called Ahrefs. It's about 500 bucks a month to use this tool, but it's got a lot of good information for businesses on here. And you can see you got 110 backlinks. Well, what's a backlink? Uh, this is just a link on other people's platforms, websites, blogs that has a link in it, and if somebody clicks on it, it refers them back to your web page. So we want to have a lot of backlinks out there, but not all backlinks are created equal. We want to make sure that the backlinks you have out there are in your relevant category of work. So we want to have backlinks on other automotive industries, whether it be places you buy from, or tools you may use, something to do that's relevant to your industry. So don't go putting backlinks on Taco Bell and McDonald's just because you need to have backlinks for Google to recognize you. Other things you can see here, you got 281 organic keywords that Google is pulling. Once again, we want to make sure those are relevant to what people are typing into Google, so it points them your way. And then ultimately, this is showing that you got about 71 people a month organically going to your website. Um, so obviously, we want to get that number up. So what I did was I look at, once again, we go back to this auto repair Madison, I type it in. And if you go down here to the organic searches, you'll see Yelp and AAA, not, brick and mortar businesses like yourself, but this Chet's Car Care is. So what I did was I put them into Ahrefs as well. And you can see they got 464 backlinks, 146 referring domains. But obviously, the biggest number and what being on the front page is doing for them is it's bringing 484 organic people to their website every month. So, that's 400 more than you. And maybe you're, so busy you don't need any more business. But if you are looking for more business, looking to make more money, potentially grow different locations, things like that, that's kind of the numbers you're missing out on. So these are just the tips and tricks I like to pass along to people. Um, I'm going to send this out in an email. If you find any of this useful, um, let me know. If you found it to be absolutely a waste of time, please let me know. Either way, just let me know what you thought of this. Look forward to any feedback you have. I'm a big boy, so I can take it if it's not good. But just look forward to hearing from you in the future. Thanks.